Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this very nice algebra equation. A squared plus 3ab minus 4b squared is equal to 84, and we are interested to find a and b such that ab belongs to positive integer. Let's come to the solution. As it is given that a squared plus 3ab, we can write this 3ab as 4ab minus ab. 4ab minus ab gives us 3ab, and minus 4b squared as it is equal to 84. Now take common first two terms a, and inside the bracket a plus, we have taken a as common and 4b will be left. And from these two terms we can factor out minus b, and inside the bracket here a minus, we have taken it common inside, plus b, and 4b will be left is equal to 84. Now a plus 4b, which is a common factor, a plus 4b, and the second factor is a minus b, and this is equal to 84. From this equation, a plus 4b and a minus b, it is clear that a plus 4b is greater than a minus b. So we will write all the possible factors of 84 such that a plus 4b is greater than a minus b. Now we will write all the possible factors of 84. 84 is equal to 84 multiplied by 1. We cannot write this as 1 multiplied by 84 because a plus 4b is greater than a minus b. So 84 is greater than 1. And the second factor we will write 42 multiplied by 2. 42 multiplied by 2 gives us 84. And the third factor we will write 28 multiplied by 3 gives us 84. And the fourth factor we will write 21 multiplied by 4 gives us 84. Another factor we will write 14 multiplied by 6 gives us 84. And 12 multiplied by 7 also gives us 84. In such a way that a plus 4b is greater than a minus b. Now if we suppose that a plus 4b is equal to x and a minus b is equal to y. Now if we subtract these two equations, we get this will be a minus a, and minus gives us plus 4b plus b 5b, and here x minus y. So now we have x minus y is equal to 5b. Here this is x and this is y. In the first factor, 84 minus 1, which is 83. 83 is not equal to the multiple of 5. So we can reject this. Here 42 minus 2 gives us 40, which is the factor of 5. So this is the first case. Similarly, 28 minus 3 gives us 25. This is also a valid case. 21 minus 4, this is 17. So this will be rejected. 14 minus 6, which is equal to 8. This is also rejected. And 12 minus 7, which is 5. This is another case. So we have only three cases: 42 multiplied by 2, 28 multiplied by 3, and 12 multiplied by 7. Now let's find the value of a and b one by one. Case 1. A plus 4b into a minus b is equal to 84. 84 is 42 multiplied by 2. So now a plus 4b is equal to 42 and a minus b is equal to 2. So now subtracting a plus 4b is equal to 42 and a minus b, which is equal to 2. This a cancel with this a and this will be positive. 4b plus b 5b is equal to 42 minus 2. So now 5b is equal to 42 minus 2 gives us 40. Dividing both sides by 5. This 5 cancel with this 5. Here b is equal to 5 8s are 40. We get b is equal to 8. And what is the value of a? Recall that. Take any one equation from these. A plus 4b is equal to 42 or a minus b is equal to 2. As a minus b is equal to 2, so by moving b from left hand side to right hand side, this will be positive. And here by using the value of b, a is equal to 2 plus b is 8 and we get a is equal to 10. So in the first case, we get a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 8. Now in second case, we will write 84 as 28 multiplied by 3. So here we will write 28 multiplied by 3, where a plus 4b is equal to 28 and a minus b is equal to 3. And from this 28 and this is equal to 3. By subtracting, we get 5b is equal to 28 minus 3. Five b is equal to 28 minus 3 gives us 25. Now to find the value of b dividing both sides by 5. This 5 cancel with this and we will left with a is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 gives us 25. Now to find the value of a, recall that take any of the equation from these. A plus 4b is equal to 28 or a minus b is equal to 3. If we take a minus b is equal to 3, then by moving b from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive. And by using the value of b in this equation, we get a is equal to 3 plus b, which is 5. Hence, we get a is equal to 8. So in the second case, we get a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 5. Now for the third case, we will write this as 12 multiplied by 7. Hence, a plus 4b into a minus b is equal to 12 multiplied by 7 gives us 84. And here in the place of this, we will write 12. A plus 4b is equal to 12 and a minus b is equal to 7. So a plus 4b is equal to 12 and a minus b is equal to 7. Subtracting these two equations, here 5b is equal to 12 minus 7, which is 5. Dividing both sides by 5, we get b is equal to 1. Now what is the value of a? Recall that a minus b is equal to 7. Move this b from left hand side to right hand side and this will become plus b. Here 7 plus b. B is 1, so we get a is equal to 8. Hence in the third case, we get a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 1. Hence we have three pairs of solutions. A is when A is equal to 10, B is equal to 8, when A is 8, B is 5, and when A is 8, B is 1. All three pairs of solutions belong to positive integers. Thank you for watching.